bende e weche manyien moko mabiro. Erokamano Jojuma kuom lipot machal kod mano. Wadhi nyime nyaka Ramogi. Moko kuom senetas mag Azimio la Umoja One Kenya oseyo jambetre mar piny Amerka e Amerka Meg Whiteman ewi weche ma owacho e kinde romo mag governors odiechieng' manyoro, mabende nyowacho ni yiero mag 2022 ma pachoka notim e yo ma uyanga. Seneta mar Kitui Nokwambua, Moses Kajwang' ma Homa Bay kod Oburu Oginga Mabondo ma Siaya onyiso Whiteman mondo mi othegre gi siasa ma pachoka. Jotelo go wacho ni weche mag Whiteman ewi yiero mane okwede do mamalo mogik e pachoka ok nyis chung' mar piny Amerka ewi kedo ne thuolo mar demokrasia. Bende gichaye kuom siro osuru ma piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza osebedo ka thung'o go oganda jo Kenya.
Elections, taxes and corruption are existential questions in Kenya today. It is only a visitor in Jerusalem who can discuss them in such a casual manner. The American government is definitely not a visitor in Nairobi, and we can only hope that these unfortunate remarks were personal and were inspired by the envoy's base corporate instincts of pleasing the buyer to close a deal.
Felt hurt when the U.S. ambassador is dancing and praising democracy in Kenya when such rights are being criminalized and described as destruction of property and rioting and all sorts of descriptions which just prove that the current regime is actually slowly taking this country into a dictatorship.
I think that there is a dangerous trend that is coming up where our foreign partners are more concerned about supply chain diversification, are more concerned about the continuity of business rather than the sanctity of life in those jurisdictions where they operate. We want our friends to think about lives as much as they think about supply chain, to think about rights as much as they think about the disruptions that have been brought about by the Ukraine and Russian war.